With legendary models like the Ferrari 488 GTB and Ferrari LaFerrari, the brand continues to push the boundaries of automotive excellence. Lamborghini. Known for its extreme designs and powerful performance, Lamborghini is the epitome of bold, luxury sports cars. Models like the Aventador and Huracan deliver high speeds and high thrills. Porsche. Porsche's 911 and 918 Spyder are mainstays in the luxury sports car segment. The company is known for its precision engineering and ability to combine everyday drivability with racetrack performance. McLaren. McLaren offers a range of high-performance sports cars, including the 720S and the McLaren P1. Their cars are known for their lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics, making them a favorite among performance enthusiasts. These iconic brands have set the standard for what a luxury sports car should be, delivering unparalleled performance, luxury, and exclusivity. The future of luxury sports cars is looking more exciting than ever. As technology advances, so too does the potential for these vehicles. Here are some trends we can expect to see in the coming years. Electric supercars. With the rise of electric technology, many luxury sports car brands are embracing electric drivetrains for performance cars. The Tesla Roadster, Rimac C2, and Porsche Taycan are just the beginning of a wave of electric supercars that promise speed, zero emissions, and cutting-edge performance.